Hey guys, it's me Obed, and today we will see how we can integrate this sign in with Google functionality into our Bubble apps. Let's see how we can do this. Okay, before starting it, I want you to know if you are working on any custom project, you have some idea, you are developing a product using Bubble or any other tech stack, you can let me know for the discussions for even on WhatsApp or mail, or you can fill out this form. Okay, let's get started with the topic. We want to integrate the sign in with Google so that user don't have to enter the name or their email and sign up process to make it easy, right? So you are gonna use Google service. So first thing you have to do is sign up for GCP. That means Google Cloud Platform. Just go there, create an account. It will be straightforward. You can log in with Google there. They have that functionality, obviously. And just go to console. You will be redirected to this page. If you don't have a project, you will be asked to create a project. You can just go there, new project, create a new one. Okay, and now the next important thing is to go to their API and services section. So remember, you have to go there, then API and services, and go to OAuth consent screen. That means you are gonna show that screen to user, whoever is gonna be signing up on your website, and you will be asking that whether I can use your credentials or use your email and name to register on my website. Okay, that uh, will be the steps. First, when you will visit this page for the first time, you will have to create an app. I have created an app with the name UBprogrammer, but what you can do is just go to create app. Something like this will be uh, prompted to you. Then for the scopes, all that, uh, you can just go to straightforward. In the scopes, what you can do is when you click on add or remove, just hit these check marks for the username dot user info dot email, user info dot profile. And what they does, they have the description, see your primary account email address or any other info which you have publicly made available. That means your, it can be your date of birth, it can be your first name, last name, even address if that is public. Okay, these two steps are important. And now what you can do is get your credentials. So after that, you will save and continue, and you will be like, show you save continue, just simple go with the flow, and you will be sorted. Then you have to go to this credentials tab. Here you have to download your credentials. If you don't have anything there, go to create credentials, then OAuth client ID, which we have just configured. So request user consent to your app so that it can use the user's data. So just go with that. Application type will be web or anything you have. For me, it's web because it's Bubble app. And the name, whatever you want to use. This thing is important. Authorize redirect URI, but what I will do is I will show you what to add here in a moment. So just create it without it. Uh, just create, and you will get the uh, JSON or the client ID or and the secret. These two credentials we want to use in our Bubble app. Now we are in the Bubble app. Just child your button whatever you want. uh, Write something in it. Sign in with Google. I'm just using an image. So what I have done is, if I can show you. Okay, in the uh, I will delete this user where the msceh. I am deleting this user and I will create this right now. Okay, if I click on this, login session has expired. That, but we can just easily reload. Uh, Preview. Sign in with Google. You are seeing this screen. This is basically the consent screen which we have configured. And let's use we don't have anything, so we can use Uber virtual, this one. Okay, continue. So here they are saying like what you have configured, like your name, email address, language, uh and the profile picture, right? For the scopes, this is coming from the scopes, and you can just hit on continue. And we have even this red alert that you got registered. Now let's see if the user is registered or not in our database. So yes, we got our user. Okay, this is the thing we are building, right? Okay, let's go to the design tab. And when I hit on the edit workflow, I can show you the exact workflows which I am using. So you can just search for, maybe if I can click some, if I just disable this, I will create new for you. Okay, it or element is clicked, and the element is image. And so you have to go to account, and account, when you have that plugin installed, this thing called Google, you just go here and search for Google. You will get this plugin. And for air alert that pop up, you got registered. If you want to show some confirmation, I am using this, but that's not mandatory, right? It's up to you. So you just go to account and sign up login with a social network. This thing you will get after you have that plugin installed. Now just go to select Google, and you are done. This thing, the registration thing, is done already, right? Now what you can do is, uh, what I can say is alert. Yeah, so I have to. So how you can find out what to use? First of all, let's see this. So in that plugin, we have three actions: air, alert, standard, custom, and clear all. So I will just find this in my uh, action tabs. So I have this custom, and I will give it a title of okay, it's done. And here I will just let's You are now okay, perfect. Now let's preview and let's see if we can get same results. This time I will be using a different email address. Okay, I am getting that. I will use this one with Ahmed CEH, and I that I should be saying that okay, it's done. Congrats, you are now a member. Now let's see in our data whether we have the user registered or not. Okay, okay. Okay, so we have our user with MSCEH, right? Okay, so that was it for the video. I hope you like it. And if you stuck somewhere, just let me know through the email or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.